G'day and welcome to ROK Power Tools Australia. Assembly instructions of the model 50080 hedge trimmer. Your hedge trimmer comes packed in this retail carton, easily identifiable as to what the product is. Just open the box up, taking the flap out. It easily folds back there. Open the end before you open the end, and inside you have a mixing bottle for fuel, a catalogue of what other products are available in the ROK Power Tool range, instruction manual, very handy, please read it, a bag of tools comprising spark plug wrench, open-ended spanner, a double-ended bladed screwdriver, an Allen key wrench and 2 mounting screws. The unit also has the front handle and front guard. Carton aside. There we have the unit. Remove the plastic cover. Safely dispose of the plastic cover bag in a location where it cannot be tampered with. Now, in mounting the front handle, it goes into position in the grooved base. The deflection guard mounts on top, like so, with your screwdriver provided with the machine, the Phillips end, just put into the little handle there, your 2 mounting screws, very easily. To the front of the unit. If you find the screwdriver is a little small, that's fine. You can just use your own number 2 Phillips screwdriver. Once the handle is mounted, it's quite secure. Just put that aside. The unit also has a 3-position handle. The unit comes with the handle in the vertical position. By pushing the lever button down, it can either turn to the left for comfortability in trimming, or alternatively 180 degrees to the opposite side. Returning it now, just push the button down, returning it to the vertical position. The fuel mix is 2-stroke, 25:1. You have a mixing bowl. It's a ½ litre or 500 ml bottle. We've marked one up just to show you the increments on the side of the box. Fill the bottle with petrol to the 500 ml mark and add the appropriate oil, which is available from any garage or mower centre in a similar bottle to that one. Just add it to the 25:1 mark. Give the bottle a little bit of a shake. Your fuel is now ready to be added to the machine. Remove the fuel cap. It won't go anywhere, there's a little retainer inside. Just remove the tag which advises that it is a 2-stroke mix. That can be disposed of later. Put fuel obviously in the tank. Return the cap. Close it firmly, no need to over tighten. Quite firmly is quite sufficient. Okay, so you've got fuel in the machine. now remove the blade guard, which is just a plastic insert, one on either side of the blade. Be careful. Just put those aside. You will need them later after completing your job. Okay. To prime the unit, to start the unit, you have the choke device on the front of the air filter here. Push it all the way forward. There is a mark on the air filter showing that the choke is now closed. The priming bulb is at the rear of the filter, just here. I'll just take that out so you can see the priming bulb just inside. Push that 3 to 5 times until the fuel fills the bowl and primes the machine. The starter cord is only a very short cord, but more than enough to get you going. Holding the unit, if it's comfortable for you, as such, it's primed and ready to go. Pull the starter cord out. When it fires, or pull 2 or 3 times, return the choke to the open position and pull the starter cord again. When the unit starts, give it 3 or 4 revs, right, and then turn the choke lever to the fully open position. To stop the unit, it's quite simple. You have your on-off switch here. The I position is on and the O position is off. If by chance when you're using the machine it may jam, you will find that the blade will stop rotating. This is quite normal. It'll give you the opportunity to stop the machine, untangle or declog the blades, and enable you to set them in motion again. The general rule of thumb when you're doing your hedges is to cut green only. That is green leaves. Little pencil size or ballpoint size stems are quite okay. It'll handle that quite adequately. When you've finished, clean the machine up with an old paintbrush or brush of some kind. Brush all the clippings away from the blade. Add a bit of oil to both sides. Turn it slightly on its edge and you'll be able to feed or return the cutter blade covers to the machine quite easily. Be careful, obviously, at all times. The blades are very, very sharp. That will protect the unit until further use, or your next use. The instruction manual is quite descriptive. Please read it. It gives you a full detail of the componentry of the machine, what else there is to do, etc., and is quite informative. That basically tells you how to assemble the machine, but please remember at all times be very careful. Wear eye protection and also your hearing protection. Happy and safe trimming.